Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream forever breathe. And wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Yeah, this is basically just our empty apartment. Walk through and I tell her all the time or whatever. But anyway, we bought our house. Got some bread over here. So right here is where y'all basically just see me showing y'all the Bible verses that we wrote throughout the house. I think we end up writing one in each room. So yeah, that's what it is. Consider this an unfurnished house tour because I didn't do like a proper one. Even though I did, it was just too long and I didn't feel like editing all of it. So this next clip that y'all are about to see, this was the day of closing, and we were basically waiting around to go pick up our keys from the builder. So at that time, the waiting period, we were going to pick up a U-Haul, and we went to go eat also, even though y'all already seen the clip where we went to go eat. But yeah, we was just stalling for time then, so oh my gosh, y'all, it is finally time to go pick up our keys from the, what they are, builder, I guess. I don't know, the construction person. All right, y'all, so right now we are in
U-Haul.
Right now we're in the U-Haul, and We've been running around all day. So, DJ hurt himself. And how you gonna move some tomorrow?
I'm gonna have to fight through.
So that is done. Now I'm about to do something else. What? I don't know. So, yeah. Okay, so the huge snowstorm that came through Texas in February of last year, this was like 5 days after we had moved into the house, and the clip that y'all are about to see is basically like snow clips of like the neighborhood and things like that that I captured.
Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one